Hello, I'm Shaun Thomas, and today I'll be going over my takeaways from the Cursive Video Lecture 1. So to begin with, the first thing you want to do to set up the M5 is to connect it to your laptop. And then you can go to the Devices tab in PIO Home, and then it should pop up right here. As you can see here, now it's turned on. So the next thing you want to do is you want to create a project. So you come to the Projects tab and then you press Create New Project, and then you would type in whatever you want as the project name. And then for the board you want to select M5 Stack Core 2, and then you just leave the framework for Arduino, and then you can choose the location you want. I'm not going to create a new project because I already have one, but that's how you do that. And then the way you would add a library to that is you come to Libraries, and then you type in M5 again, and then you'd want to add the M5 stack library to whatever project you had. So the project you just made, you would select right here, and then you'd add it. So the next thing I'm going to do is show how to build new code. So right here is the code that I have right now, and that's the one that's on the M5. But if you want to change something, for example, we could change the background to, let's say black. So what we would do after we change this code is then we would first come down here and we would build it. And then in terminal, you'll see that it's now building. All right, now it's done building. What you do after that is you would upload it to the M5. As you can see now, the background of the text is black instead of red. So that's how you would upload code. And then the last thing I want to talk about is the setup and loop functions. So the setup function is the one that runs right when the program starts. So this is inside of the terminal, and then this is on the actual M5 itself. And then if you wanted to have stuff repeatedly happen, you'd put in the loop function. So if I uncomment this code, and then if I save it and then I upload it, it should first build and then upload. As you can see here, now it's looping. It doesn't look like it's looping because the text is so large, but now the code is on the M5 and it's looping. So that was all my takeaways that I had for the first Cursive Video Lecture.